With money from the federal government's Rapid Response Program, USF researchers are using the same chemical that gives fireflies their glow in hopes of tracing COVID-19 to see how it attacks the different cells in our body.
There's a whole range of how much light you can detect, and within that range of detection, you can see how much infection there is.
Dr. Michael Tang is part of a team of USF researchers creating a coronavirus pseudotype. Grown in a lab, the cells are harmless, but behave like the real thing. They're also using stem cells, which can act like skin, nerves, heart cells, whatever they choose. The glowing luciferase then acts as a tracer, letting them see which cells are most vulnerable to the virus.
And you can actually image that in a machine that looks for the light coming out of the different cells that have been infected.
The stem cells USF is working with have been collected from 75 people of different ages, gender, and race. So the results might also help them collect data about who is most vulnerable to the virus, even how it interacts with certain medications.
It's been amazing to see the scientific community come together, really, and we're all kind of working on this stuff, so it's pretty amazing.
USF researchers say they hope to have solid data in about 2 months from now, and if the results of their glowing experiment warrant moving forward, they say the next step would be to involve live coronavirus. That way they can see not only which parts of the body are most susceptible, but how the virus acts once it enters those cells.
And Dr. Tang says the project also helps to identify the effect on organs that might be overlooked because a major infection is taking place in some other part of the body. That project is expected to last about 6 months.